Hi, boys and girls. We're going to do 2 more pages in this little Valentine's packet. Okay, I didn't send home too much because I knew we had 2 short weeks coming up, and we have a 4-day weekend, and so we have 2 4-day weeks, and we wouldn't have that much time, especially since we had Hundreds Day. This is kind of just a little fun page. It's the ABCs, but we're missing some letters, aren't we? So let's just sing our ABCs right now. I'll touch them, and I'll touch the missing boxes too. So we've got A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P. I always slow down there. I don't want you to go L, M, N, O, P. I want to hear those letters. L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now I know my ABCs. Next time, won't you sing with me? Okay, now the missing letters are at the bottom. Now, I know a lot of you guys might say, oh, Mrs. Jenkins, can I just write them in there? You can if you want, but I think it's more fun to do the cut and paste. So here's all those missing letters. I'm going to cut them out. They're just in little square boxes. Hearts inside a little square box. Don't cut the hearts out. That would be too hard. Cut just on the dotted line. And then we'll put the glue on there and we'll get all these missing letters in there. And then I'm going to color it. Can't wait to color it. That's going to be fun. I'm going to color it in a pattern. And I could do the pattern on the calendar, but remember the pattern on our calendar only has 2 colors. And I think I want to use maybe 4 colors. So let's see. All right. So I put the glue stick here and I'm looking for capital B. So I look through all the, oops, sorry about that. Let's just point this down so you can see what I'm doing here. Okay, I better turn all these letters over so I can see the front and get my scraps out of the way. Here's B. All right, and these are capital, not lowercase. So now, and then you can go back. What are we missing next? A, B, C, D, E, F. Put my little glue stick on there and look for F. Here it is. Make sure you don't put them upside down, right? Okay, I'm going to go back to the beginning because it's easier to go to the beginning. You might know what comes between J and L, and if you do, that's awesome, but some kids have to go A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K. So I put my glue stick on, and there we go, okay, and let's keep going. H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O. That's why you have to slow down there. Otherwise, you're never going to be able to figure out the missing letter if you go too fast, right? Okay, so you know what? Instead of going back to A, I'm just going to go right where we left off. O, P, Q, R, capital R, Q, R, S. What are we missing? A T. Okay, A, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. If anybody has a hard time with this, get out your red homework folder here. Let me finish this and then I'm going to show you because I think I have it right here. Yeah, I do. Remember in the back of the red homework folder? Okay, we started out with this one. Some of you guys may have moved that because there's others, but there's the ABC, right? So you can use that to find the missing letters, right? And like I said, I'm going to color that. I'm definitely going to use, I think I'm going to use these 4 colors. I still have them laying out from yesterday's lesson. And I'm going to do an A, B, C, D pattern. I'm going to start with red. I won't do the whole thing because it'll take too long. And I always like to outline. How about red, pink? I think I'll do purple next. And then magenta. Those are all nice Valentine's colors. And then I'm going to repeat myself. Okay, repeat the pattern. A, B, C, D. A was red. If you forget, just go back to the very first one. B is pink. C, we use purple. And D was magenta. Now I will finish this before I post it. And I better make sure I do that. Red, pink, purple, magenta. Red, pink, purple, magenta. See, even grown-ups have to go back to the beginning and say it. And I will finish this up. Okay, now there's another cut and paste, and this one is numbers. I love this one. And again, I know a lot of you are going to go, can't I just write the missing number? Yeah, if you do, if you decide to write the missing numbers in here, then check them off down here. So 1, 2, 3, we're missing a 3. 4, 5, we're missing a 5. But once you write them, check that off and check off the 5, because then that'll help you find it when we get down to the harder ones. I'm not going to do that. I'm going to cut and paste because I think cut and paste is fun. So I'm going to cut all those numbers off. It's kind of like the one we did. They're all on hearts, but they are inside boxes. So I'm not going to cut the hearts out. That would be way too hard. I'm just going to cut on the dotted line. There's my strip. Like when we do our little phonics books, we do that, right? And then I'm going to snip, snip, snip. Snip's just a little cut with the scissors. And let's find the missing numbers. All right, so in the first row, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So let's find those 2 missing numbers. Still got my glue stick out. And just be careful, don't put them upside down. Okay, I found my 5. That's going to go here. And I found my 3. That's going to go here. All right. What's the missing number here? Okay, they didn't start with 1. They started with 3. If you need to start with 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We're only missing 1 number. Make sure you don't put your 6 upside down. If you do, it's going to be a 9. So be careful with 6. Down and around with a big fat tummy. Number 6, you are so funny. Okay, what's missing here? 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay, so 7. I'm looking for my 8. Here it is. 9, 10, 11, 12. Now, boys and girls, now we're getting into the teen numbers. And we introduced the teen numbers the whole month of December. The whole month of December, we took a little break and we did a packet. And I had a lot of kids not do it because December was busy. And so we will be getting back to the teen numbers. Hopefully you have someplace. I know on the back of that homework folder, there's also some numbers. You might have to dig for them, but or a number line. If you have a number line or if you have a ruler, that would help too. Okay, but you have to have a big ruler though. Okay, so we're starting on 13. If you want to go back to 10, that might help. Even 7. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Or look on a calendar, huh? That has all the numbers on it. 16, 17, 18. So look at the pattern. 1, 0, 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 3, 1, 4, 1, 5 is 15. I know some of the kids don't have those teen numbers down yet. Parents, just feel free to help. I like this page though. So 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. We're going to put the 18 in here. And it's not that hard because look, now I'm down to only 1 number. So the number is a 1 and a 7, 17. So it must be it, but we better check. 15, 16, 17. Ta-da! And then also you can color these hearts too. Okay, so 2 fun pages today. Getting close to Valentine's Day. Okay, have fun doing your math today. Oh, this actually isn't our math. This is just going to be extra today. Bye-bye.